Hi dear friend, today we started ethics through the question. Today question is what is the ethics? Discuss the source of ethics and its importance in the governance and society and analyze the consequences of its absence with a suitable examples in 250 words. Let us start through the introduction. Ethics refer to the set of moral principles that guide human conduct and distinguish between right and wrong. We can also write another introduction. For example, the source of the ethics. First is the source of the ethics is the religion. For example, the principle of ahimsa non-violence found Hinduism and Jainism. Religion is one of the oldest foundation of ethical standard prescribe what is right and wrong. Religious teaching profoundly influence social norms and individual behavior. Then we have another is family system. Family. Import tradition or culture value through the family structure. Family system import tradition, culture value related to the family structure, functions, role, belief, attitude, idea become the source of ethics. For example, parent teaching their children to import of the honesty, integrity, shape their ethical. Then we have the legal system. Legal system act as a guiding source for human behaviors. For example, the Prevention of Corruption Act in 1988 aim to combat corruption in the government agency. Then we have the thinker and philosophers. Thinker serve as role models, aiding society in the quest for new virtue and ethical understanding. For example, Swami Vivekananda's teachings on universal brotherhood and selfless service continue to inspire ethical behavior in the social individual actions. Then we have the media and public discourse. Media and public discourse shape the reflect societal value, influencing public perceptions or what is ethical. Example, investigative journalism by outlet like the Indian Express expose corruption and unethical practices. Then we have importance of the ethics. Provide moral maps. Ethics provide moral maps. Ethics offer a framework navigating complex issues, ensuring clarity and direction. For example, Satyagraha movement led by the Mahatma Gandhi provide a moral map to resist colonial rule through the non-violence and civil disobedience. Then we have the help to resolve moral issue. Ethics offer tool for addressing and thinking through the moral dilemma. Permission of passive euthanasia under the stringent guidelines by the Supreme Court in India. Third, ensure individual and social goods. Ethics guide human conduct aiming for the betterment of the individual and society. Fourth is resolve ethical dilemma. Ethical value guides through as challenging situations. The big dam like Narmada Dam project in India poses ethical dilemma regarding the environmental conservation versus the development benefit. Then free from the bias